What up guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're doing the most easiest install on a car that you can possibly do. Now before we jump into this video, you guys give me that big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Look, if you want to see more videos from me, you gotta hit that subscribe button. You won't miss anything. And also follow me on Instagram at MontLegit. So what we're about to do is do the most easiest mod you could possibly ever do to the car. So I'm gonna show you what it is. These right here are flashing brake lights for your car. If you want to do this, I'm gonna have everything in the description below. These are the flashing brake lights. I always wanted some of these to install on the car. Today I got them, and let's get right into this easy install. All right, so the first thing you want to do is actually pull this back, and that gives us access to this one and that one. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys which one to pull out. Oh snap, oh snaps, okay. All right, so it's this one right here. Take the harness out and it should come out, and that's how it, oh I bet that's how it looks right here. Something very simple to do. So now we about to put the new one in, so let's go do that right now. Old, new. Told you, very simple. So what you want to do now is actually put that guy right back in there. Make sure it's locked, so you want to twist it. All right, perfect. All right, and voila. Oh snap. Okay, now I'm gonna get my tripod. We're gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does. It should work. It's simple, very simple. So see my tripod and see, then we do the other side, then we'll be done. That's butter, baby. All right, so both of the flashing brake lights are installed. Now I'm gonna give y'all guys how they both look, and that will be it for today's video. And one more thing, like I said before, hit the subscribe button and get me a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, that is basically it. So you know the saying, legit is out.
Come on, Frosty, we're all waiting for it. 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 Come on, Frosty, we're all waiting for it.